Hey guys, Lazy Money UK here, bringing you another money making app review. Here's something quick you can do to get 25p a day, which equates to at least £7 a month. Download the app called Premise onto your phone and check out the guaranteed daily survey. You don't have to worry about qualification questions. The surveys are so generic that they're relevant to everyone. I'm pretty sure I've done this one before. Maybe they're just on a loop.
Is that gum? Is that gum? Is that gum?
Oh, yeah.
Once you submit your answers, the survey is approved within 24 hours. So let's get this £7 cashed out and see if the app is legit. It took about 2 minutes to get the money. Premise claims that their app can be used in over 100 countries. For my viewers who are watching from outside of the UK, let us know in the comments if the app works for you and how much you get paid. So that's about it really, just another simple thing you can do to increase your income. As always guys, thanks for watching my videos. Remember to subscribe so I can show you more lazy money making tips.